People who can't code are literally building apps using AI, and now they're making 20K, 40K, and even over $1 million a month. And these people are not software developers, they're not engineers, and some of them literally have never touched a single line of code in their lives. But they all figure out one thing: how to use vibe coding tools. As someone who has many app ideas, this is a goldmine. I've been testing out this vibe coding app called Replit. It's the perfect app for someone who has never touched code in their life but still want to turn an idea into a real working app. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an app using Replit step by step, and how you can find and validate an app idea. Before we get into it, feel free to sign up using my discount code Joanna to get 15% off. This is a great way to save some money while building your first app. Alright, so once you're on Replit, you need to tell the AI what you want it to build. So I have this idea that helps you reverse engineer a viral content. Basically, you paste a video link and it will instantly get you a clean transcript of that video. Plus, it's going to give you a breakdown of the video structure, the hooks, templates, and ideas that you can reuse. And you can also click a button to turn all of that into a script in your own niche and voice. So here's the prompt that I'm going to use. First thing Agent's going to do is to come up with a plan for us. And while it does that, let me give you a little bit more context about Replit. Replit is essentially a vibe coding tool that turns your idea into a functional app without coding. You give it instructions and the AI agent flushes out your ideas, designs the user interface, writes all the codes, tests it, fixes error, and deploys it. They also have a mobile app, which is very handy if you want to build your app on the go. And here's what I think that makes Replit stands out from all the other vibe coding tools on the market. First of all, it writes actual production code. So you're not going to get a mock-up, you're not going to get some fake demo. It's real code, real files that you can literally open, edit, export, do whatever you want, take it anywhere with you. The second thing is self-testing. Now this one is crazy. Replit can actually spin up a virtual browser, clicks around like a real user, finds its own bugs, and fixes it on its own. Other tools don't do that. Most vibe coding tools only work for a few minutes at a time. Replit, though, it can run for hours on its own. Like if you give an idea, you can go get a coffee, come back, and it's still working until it completes the task. Okay, now it looks like the agent just built out a plan. Let's review it to see if it aligns with what we want. It looks pretty good. Now, you can see the UI preview on the right. Although it's really important for me to mention that this is just a preview that helps us understand what the app is going to look like. Now, I can actually approve this plan if I want, and the agent's going to keep building out the visual preview and then start building out the actual application for me once it's ready. Now, I also wanted to mention that you can see all of your tools on the left or by clicking this little plus icon to access them. These are things like your database. This is where your app stores information. And you also see your deployment tool, so anyone can use your app online. Basically, this is where everything you need to build, store, and launch your app, all in one browser, which is super convenient. Now, at any point, you can just open the file tree over here and see all the files in your project. Right now, the agent hasn't fully scaffolded everything out yet, but it's gonna do it in a second. And once those files appear, you can literally click into them and edit anything you want, because under the hood, Replit, it's a real code editor. It's not some fake demo visual builder. Okay, so here we go. The agent just started generating the structure of the app. All the files are here now. You can, like I said, you can open them, search through them, and even see how the AI is writing the code line by line. Basically, you can watch the AI build your app in real time and understand how everything fits together. All right, so now the agent just built out the basic version of the app. We can start refining a little bit. You can add your own twist to it. For example, if I want to add an emoji here, all I need to do is just open up the visual editor down here, click on the text, and there you go. Just change it. And the nice thing is, editing visually, it's sometimes even easier than, prompting the agent. You can, of course, if you want to prompt the agent, but, if you just want to change the text, just do it right there. You can just click, type, and save. Now, what else do we want this app to do? Well, I think it's nice if people can lock in and save their scripts, right? So So I'm just gonna prompt add user login and the ability to save all the scripts. For bigger features like authentications and databases, I like to turn on those extra tools down here. They're called web search, extended thinking, and higher power mode. They basically just give the AI agent more brain power for complicated tasks. But do know that they comes with an extra fee, but if you don't want to deal with all of that, I think it's so worth it. And because I don't want to deal with that, I'm just gonna toggle those on for this step. Okay, look at this. So Replit just created a database for us automatically. Normally adding a database on any app, it's painful, but here we can literally just click the database tab and see everything the agent set up. The tables, the schema, the structure, like everything. It's planning out where the script is gonna be stored, where the user info goes, and all the backend stuff that you never want to touch. And the cool part is that Replit can also handle the login system for you. So instead of building your own authentication and login system from scratch, which, take a lot of time, and I just don't know how to do it. But with Replit, you can just set it up automatically and your user can just log in with Replit's account. That means, you get the whole built-in security, password reset, all of that boring but important stuff handled for you by Replit. Okay, so if you're paying attention, you'll notice that something really cool is happening right now. The agent is literally fixing errors as it goes. Like it sees a bug, fixes it, and keeps building on its own. Crazy. So we're basically watching this go from a simple idea to almost a real app with logins, authentication, all of those features and all of that complicated backend stuff, but without me touching any code. So I'm gonna let it finish up and then we can check back in how the app looks. Okay, one thing I do want to point out, and this is really underrated in my opinion, are the checkpoints and rollbacks. Now, if you look on the left, you see Replit creating these little checkpoints while it built. I want you to think of them as like these save points or like history. Anytime something changes, Replit saves a snapshot of your entire project. Basically, if you ever messes something up or like if you change anything or if you try something that totally breaks your app, I can literally click rollback and restore all of my files, the agent's memories, and even all the data inside the app. Everything can just go back to how it was. So you can experiment freely without being scared that you might do something that ruins your entire project. And you know that your work is always saved and you can always go back. You can also load an interactive preview of your app at any checkpoint, so you can see exactly what it looked like at any given moment. Basically, you get a full timeline of every changes of Replit or you have ever made, and you can jump between versions anytime. All right, so it looks like the agents just finished adding the user authentication and a few other features. The app isn't perfect by any means, and it doesn't have to. For your first app, it's important to just get something functional, get the MVP out, test out the idea, and see if people will even want more of that. So I think this app right now is at that stage. I think it's ready for the fun part, which is publishing it. And all I have to do is just to click the deploy button at the very top right. Replit, it's gonna show you a few settings, but I'm not gonna touch any of that right now. I'm just gonna click approve. Then you can choose your own URL, change it however you want, but I'm gonna go with this one for now. And then you can run a security scan if you want, just to make sure that nothing vulnerable is coming through. If there are any risk, Replit will tell you right away if something needs fixing. All right, mine looks clean right now. And what's happening is Replit is basically taking a snapshot of my entire app, building everything together and publishing on its own live. So anyone can access it. And the cool part is if the app runs inside Replit, fine, then it's gonna run exactly the same way once it's deployed. And it's only gonna take a couple of minutes. All right, so deployment is done and here's the live version. I can log in and then you can go through everything. It seems like everything just works. So yeah, we literally went from an idea to a plan to a working app all in one session. So that's our little first intro to Replit. Honestly, we're just barely scratching the surface here. There's so many other features that you can explore. You just watch me build a very simple app, and I'm really curious what you would be using Replit for. Because if there's one thing that you can take away from this video is that you can really build an app now, even if you don't have any coding experience. So yeah, if you want to try Replit yourself, I do have a little discount code that will give you 15% off. Joanna, feel free to use it. And I think it's a great way to save some money while building your first app. Now that you've seen how the coding part works, Now let's talk about how you can actually come up with and validate your app ideas. So how do you find app ideas? Now this is my process. I want you to think about all the pain points and problems that you have either in your life or you have observed other people have, and I want you to document every single one of these pain points and problems. And this is how I do it. So I just have a simple Notion page with all of these problems and pain points that I personally have, and I just write them down. And the more you write it down, and then slowly you're gonna see a pattern, and you will notice that some problems or pain points come up again and again. Those are the ones that are worth exploring. Now, documenting them, it's not enough. The next step is to use ChatGPT or whatever AI tools to do deep research about these ideas. So just open up ChatGPT, enter my pain point, and use the deep research feature. Basically, just ask ChatGPT to find all the similar apps, what's already working on the market, and what gaps still exist. And once you have a list of competitor apps, take screenshot of all of their UI screens and drop everything onto a Miro board. And seeing all the UI screens side by side will give you a really good idea of what a working app or apps that people would download looks like. Okay, so how do you validate if this idea is even worth pursuing? Well, one thing you can do is to check Google Trend to see if the demand is growing or declining. Another thing that you can do is to validate the idea through social media. So check the keywords on TikTok or YouTube and see if people are actually talking about the problems that you have as well. So yeah, if you do all of that, then you should have a solid idea to pursue. Of course, nothing beats user feedback. And that's why, like I said earlier, you need to just ship out an MVP as soon as possible. Don't spend tons of time and resources in building the perfect app, because even if it's perfect in your head, you won't know if it's perfect until you actually let someone test it out. So Replit is perfect for that first version of your app. And that's it. You just witnessed how to build an app using AI, specifically Replit, and how to actually choose an idea worth building. If you end up creating something, drop a comment below. I would love to see what you make. And if you want to try Replit yourself, remember there's always a 15% off discount code that you can use. Link is down below. All right, see you in the next one.